In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the year from a date in Google Sheets. If you've ever worked with a spreadsheet and found yourself needing just the month and day, minus the year, you're in the right place. Whether it's for simplifying data presentation, focusing analysis on just certain periods, or even crafting a cleaner look for your calendar, omitting the year can be incredibly useful. So, let's delve into each step you need to take to achieve this. First, you'll want to start by selecting the specific cells that contain the date format you wish to modify. You can do this by clicking and dragging over the cells if they're adjacent, or use the Control key on your keyboard to select non-contiguous cells. Being precise with your selection is key, as this will ensure only your intended data is altered. Once you have your cells selected, you'll move to the top menu of Google Sheets. Here, click on Format. This dropdown might be one you've used before to modify text or numeric presentations, and now it's about to help you with dates. Hover over the Number option. This section deals with how numerical data is formatted in your spreadsheet, including dates. Under the Number section, you'll find the choice labeled Custom Date and Time. As you select this, a new window will appear. This is where you truly have the power to customize how your dates look. It's like walking into a workshop where you can design precisely what you need. In the Custom Date and Time settings, you'll see a template of your current date format. Typically, it's structured as month, day, and year, depending on your locale settings. Your task here is to remove the year from this setup, simplifying the display to just show the month and day. To do this, simply click on the Year section and press the Delete key on your keyboard, or use the provided option to remove it, if available. This change won't affect the actual data Google Sheets uses for calculations, filters, or sorting. It just changes how it's presented visually on your spreadsheet. This means you retain all the underlying date information, just displaying it in a more focused manner. Once you've made these adjustments, be sure to click Apply at the bottom of this window. This will finalize the changes, and your dates should now show without the year. Take a moment to review your modifications to ensure all looks as expected. This process not only helps keep your data clear and concise, but also enhances readability, especially in shared documents where clarity is crucial. With these few simple steps, you've mastered another aspect of Google Sheets, allowing you to manipulate data more effectively. Feel free to explore more customizations to further tailor it to your needs.